What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on AI because this coin was just listed on Binance and other exchanges. So in this video I will show you the exact trading setup that I'm currently watching on this coin. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit the like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. As I said in the intro, this coin was just listed on the exchanges. I think it was yesterday. So right now we have here only few candles, and as you can see, I am on the 15-minute chart. Here we are forming this sideways channel. So in case of breakout and upper confirmation of this resistance, or in case of breakdown and resistance confirmation of this support, there will be an opportunity for a long or a short trade. Because we are on the 15-minute chart, all of the setups that I will show you in this video will be just for a scalp trade. So definitely do not buy based on this analysis this coin for like a long-term hold. Also, I want to say that because we are on the 15-minute chart, all the setups and all the trades will be pretty risky. So yeah, just use proper risk management to open these positions. But let's take first of all a look on the long scenario. This resistance area is between levels 1.387 and 1.355. So in case of breakout and support confirmation, there will be an opportunity for a long trade. As the last take profit target, you can, for example, use this high of this previous 15-minute candle, which you can see that this candle had like almost 10,000% in like 15 minutes. So yeah, that's absolutely crazy. And I am not counting this candle as let's say some important resistance. So once there is a breakout and support confirmation, we are technically in the price discovery phase. So I would recommend you to put your take profit targets based on the risk reward ratio that you want to have. Stop loss you can put somewhere back under this resistance. So for example, let's use here, I don't know, like 3.5% stop loss here, something like that, because this is still like a scalp trade. And the risk reward ratio that I am taking if we are in the price discovery phase is usually around 10. So in this trade you will be aiming for $1.87. And as you can see, the volatility of this coin is like pretty insane. So in case of that breakout and support confirmation, I think there is pretty high probability that this trade can be successful. Also, definitely take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you will, for example, take on the risk reward ratio 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, and then save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 6.5, yeah, something like that, which is, in my opinion, pretty good for a scalp trade. So yeah, that's probably the main scenario that I'm currently watching on this coin. But again, I need to repeat, because we have here this small stop loss and this coin is pretty volatile, there is higher risk of liquidation. And if you, for example, will put the stop loss on the lower levels, then the risk reward ratio is not gonna be that good anymore. So personally, I would probably prefer to have, let's say, more risky trade and better risk reward ratio. Other scalp trades that you can take on this coin will be moves like in this sideways channel. So in case of, let's say, breakout, fake out, and then resistance confirmation, for example, something like happened here, then you can enter here a short position. Stop loss, in that case, you need to put above the high that we will create during a fake out, and the last take profit target will probably put it above this support area, and this goes the same for the long scenario. So once there is a breakdown, fake out, and then support confirmation, for example, you can see it happened here. Here it was the fake out, and then here we had a support confirmation. Then you can open here a long trade with the stop loss again under the low that we will create during a fake out, and the last take profit target like under the resistance area, which will give you, let's say, pretty good risk reward ratio for these small trades, because you can use only, let's say, one take profit target. So in this case you are aiming for, let's say, 3.6 risk reward ratio, yeah, something like that, which is still not bad for a scalp trade. And the last possible trading setup that I'm currently watching here will be valid in case of breakdown and resistance confirmation. So in this case, there can be a fake out, because that will end up with a long scenario. But in case of breakdown and then resistance confirmation, then there can be an opportunity for a short trade. Stop loss in that case you can put back above this support level. So let's say above the level approximately 1.09062, and the last take profit target. Well, as I said, if there are not any important support or resistances, I'm usually like using risk reward ratio 10, but in this case, in my opinion, there is simply higher probability of fake out, so probably I won't be taking this trade. But if you want to take this short scenario as the last take profit target, I would probably use the level 0.7081, which will give you risk reward ratio around 6.28, yeah, something like that, which is not bad for a short trade. But in my opinion, trading the setups like in this sideways channel or trading the long scenario that I showed you is much better than trading this short scenario. Okay, so these were the main setups that I'm currently watching on this coin. Again, I need to repeat that this coin was just listed on Binance and other exchanges, and the volatility here can be pretty insane. There can be a lot of fake outs, and like the support confirmation, for example, on the 15-minute chart, well, it actually doesn't mean that much. So yeah, be prepared to lose money on this coin. But eventually, if one of the setups that I showed you will be correct, then the risk reward ratio here, as I said, is pretty insane, and you will make a lot of profit. So in my opinion, is it worth of taking that risk? But anyway, this will be all from me for today. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing analysis every single day. A link to join is in the description or in the comments. But anyway, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.